It's sunnier than most days. You'll never see the sky if you keep looking down. And if you take the wrong way, then maybe you should stay instead of turning around. So would you keep on going? I know that you're in the open, hoping that you'll be okay. Don't stay looking out the window. And how late do you plan on going? Nowhere, afraid of all the things you don't know. There's so many reasons you should care. Don't stay looking out the window. And how late do you plan on going? Nowhere, afraid of all the things you don't know. There's so many reasons you should care. The sun is setting down soon. You'll never see the stars when you're all in your head. You can find beauty in the night too, but it's harder to see when you're stuck in a dream. So would you keep on going? I know that you're in the open, hoping that you'll be okay. Don't stay looking out the window. And how late do you plan on going? Nowhere, afraid of all the things you don't know.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be just another vlog day in my life. I do have a few things to do today. It's already almost 12 o'clock. I got out of work at 10:30. I had to work at Bigby this morning. I had to open at 5:30. I have a little bit of cleaning to do today and some editing, just a chill day. It's really gloomy out today, and then I have to work at 4:30 tonight at my other job, so it's gonna be a great time. So yeah, this is my outfit today. I'm just wearing a sweatshirt from, where is it from? Oh, it's from Pretty Little Thing, I think. Just a plain tan sweatshirt and then just some black leggings. But yeah, I need to clean my room. But before any of that, I do want to say thank you so much to Dossier for sponsoring today's video. I will talk to you guys about them a little bit later, but right now I'm going to clean my room and I'm actually gonna dust because I haven't dusted in a while and my room is really gross. So let's go ahead and do that.
Shadows of the morning are crawling on my floor. When I just wanna lie here, nothing less, nothing more. There's raindrops on my window and I'm going nowhere fast. Behind these closed eyes I visualize what will come and what is past.
Okay, I just made my bed. I washed my sheets and my comforter last night, so that's why I had this one on, because my comforter was not dry yet. But yeah, I'm gonna go put this one back in the living room and then we can start dusting like that in my dresser and stuff.
But Mama, turn the light on. Mama, stir me from my sleep. I've been sleeping too long. I've been dreaming too long. I just wanna lie here, but I don't wanna die here. So I'm gonna take my best shot. Shot out of bed into the tip top. Sitting on the edge of my bed, waiting by the river, waiting by the river. I found a little piece of homestead, waiting by the river, waiting by the river. It's clear to see I'm free, yeah, waiting by the river, waiting by the river. I'm chasing these dreams, awake or asleep. Awake or asleep. And so I say goodbye to the shadows as morning breaks to noon. Another day I'm living, another song I'm singing, and I know I've got nothing to lose, but my soul keeps shining. They say that I'm misguided, but I wanna make this move. I guess that you could say that I woke up with this melody in my head. Shot out of bed 'cause I got something to prove. So when I say, Mama, turn the light on, understand just what I mean. When I'm asleep I will dream, and when I wake you will see that even as I lie here thinking where I'll be in 5 years, I know today is all I ever got. I know today will be my best shot. Sitting on the edge of my bed, waiting by the river, waiting by the river.
Alright, I just finished cleaning everything. I feel so much better, like everything just feels so much cleaner. So we got all of that done, but I actually just got a package from Amazon. Yesterday I ordered sheets for mine and Cameron's apartment. I know I talk about this in every video. Let me know if it just gets annoying, but I'm like so excited for it, as I've said multiple times. But yeah, if I get annoying talking about it, just let me know. But I ended up buying us sheets, or we bought sheets, and they're like a tan color. I'll insert a picture here of the color scheme that I kind of want in it, which I did ask Cameron if it was okay. He said it was fine, as long as it's not like any pink or purple colors. We want something kind of neutral in there. Wait a sec. Oh my gosh, I thought these were actual pillows. So I guess buy pillows for that. So this is what they look like, just like a cream tan color, and I am gonna do a white comforter, which I did buy a duvet for my comforter, which I've never used before, and I didn't realize that it's like a cover for your comforter. It's just white, but the comforter that I have is like, it has some stains on it, and I just want something clean and to put over it, so I just bought a duvet. But yeah, I really like these, just a cream color. It has a fitted sheet, a top sheet, and then I think it has 2 pillowcases. I don't know if I said this, but our apartment is like fully furnished, so it does come with a bed, a nightstand, a couch, bar stool, a coffee table, I think. So we don't have to take like one of our beds over there, which is super nice, because that would just be a huge hassle. And then I ended up, I thought these were pillows, but they're just pillowcases. They're like throw pillows that I wanted to have, but these are just what they look like. They match the sheets, so they're just gonna go like in the front, like I have on my bed here. And yeah, excited for that as well. So my duvet should be coming hopefully within the next couple days, which I guess it doesn't really matter because we don't move it until August, but I'm just excited. That's why I'm buying stuff. But this stuff we actually needed, and I wanted to make sure we had it. So I do need to wash these at some point. I'm not gonna wash them today because, like I said, we don't need them for a couple months. So I'm just gonna put it back in the bag. That's just what we got for now. We also have like so much stuff that his family's giving to us, just that they don't use anymore, like kitchen stuff, and my grandparents are giving us some stuff. So I'm very lucky. We are very lucky to have other people willing to give us their stuff that they don't use anymore, because it's just really expensive. So I'm very grateful for all of that. But anyways, I think I'm gonna eat because I'm really hungry. I haven't eaten literally anything today except for a coffee at work. I'm also so excited because this weekend is Memorial weekend, and I'm actually gonna get like 3 days off of work, which I'm so excited for. I took it the weekend off so we can go camping with my family and just have some family time. Okay, so I wanted to take a second to talk about today's video sponsor, which is Dossier. I have worked with them before in a couple of videos, and I absolutely love their brand. I just think their brand is so great, and it just makes it so easy for you guys. So if you don't know, Dossier is a online perfume brand. So what they do is they reproduce high-end luxury perfumes at a fraction of the cost, and just make it a lot cheaper for you guys to buy really nice high quality perfumes at all starting at like $29. So they also have a risk-free system. So in each perfume package that you get a 50 milliliter bottle as well as a little sample size. And with that, you can test the sample size first to see if you actually do like the smell of the perfume before you actually open the 50 milliliter, because it's really hard to know if you're going to like the perfume when you are buying it online on an online store. If you don't like it, you are able to send it back and get a full refund, or you're able to exchange it for something else that you think you may want instead. So this is what the packaging looks like for the perfume, and you just open it and it has, this is what it looks like again. So it does have a little sheet in here that kind of shows you everything about the perfume, all the scents, the notes. Another really cool thing that it shows on this paper is what high-end scent it is inspired by. They are inspired by brands like Gucci, YSL, Tom Ford, and all kinds of luxury perfumes. So this one is Floriental Vanilla, and I've already opened it in the package. So this is what it looks like in the package when it comes. So it has the 50 milliliter bottle and then the sample size here. This is my favorite scent that I got. Literally smells so good, like vanilla, obviously. So if you guys are interested, all of their perfumes do start at $29, which is completely different from luxury brands, which are like $50 to $200. So it's definitely a big difference, but you are still getting the same great quality and long-lasting scent that you may want with those luxury brands. So on their website right now, they are offering 25% off and up, and also free shipping on bundles of 3 or more, which in my opinion is very much worth it, because if you don't like it, you can literally just send it back for free and get a refund or exchange it for something new. And they are always adding new scents, so if you are interested, definitely be sure to go check out their website. There's also a quiz on their website that you can take really quickly. It takes like 5 minutes, and you can kind of see what kind of scents you like. Once you take the quiz, they will give you a list of different perfumes that they think that you will like based on what you chose on the quiz. I also do have a discount code. I don't exactly know what it is right now, so I will have it on the screen for you, and it will also be in the description box as well. So you guys are able to get a little bit of a discount when you are purchasing the perfumes if you do want to try some out. All right, let's go ahead and go back to the video. All right, I went ahead and made a smoothie instead because our avocados were not ripe enough, so I couldn't make avocado toast. But that's okay, this is just as good. And my video also just got approved by a brand that I was working with, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to post it today at 3 o'clock, but it's already 1:40 and the checks on the video take so long. So I don't know if I'm going to be able to post it by 3, but I will try. So I just pretty much need to edit the description box and then hopefully be able to go live with it. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now, and I will talk to you guys in a little bit. My video is almost finished, so it's gonna go up at 3 in like 45 minutes. But now I'm actually gonna do my thumbnail for my Amazon favorites video. I don't know when it's gonna post, hopefully sometime this week, but I do need to do the thumbnail for that. Go ahead and do that on my iPad. Then I don't know what else. I might just relax until I have to go to work. Might just relax for a little bit when I'm done with that. Hi guys, it is way later. I just finished editing another video. I wanted to post my Amazon favorites video. I'm not posting, I'm just scheduling it to post. I don't exactly know when I want to post it though. I think I might do Wednesday maybe. Yeah, so this video is almost done uploading, and then I just need to do the description box and stuff. I already have the thumbnail done. I just have to upload it as well. 5:46 right now, if you can see. And I have to be at work at 6. So it's literally like 2 minutes away from my house though, so I have to leave really soon. Yeah, I think that's gonna be it for this video. I pretty much just did this for the rest of the day. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Another little fun vlog. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.